Hello everyone, I'm Hemant Abhishek and you're watching The Right Property Show. When it comes to transfer of property or determining the ownership of land, we come across the term Undivided Share of Land, which is also referred to as UDS. In broad terms, it refers to the percentage of ownership of a property that an individual holds in a particular piece of real estate, and it plays a crucial role in resolving property ownership disputes as well. So in today's video, we will explore the meaning, calculation, and use of UDS. So what exactly is UDS? Undivided share of land is a term used in property law to describe the fraction of ownership that an individual holds in a piece of real estate. For example, if a building consists of 3 flats owned by 3 different individuals, then each of them would hold an undivided share of 1/3 of the land on which the building is situated. This means that each owner has the right to use and possess the entire common area, but not necessarily exclusive possession of any specific portion of it. So how is UDS calculated? Undivided share is calculated based on the size and value of the property, as well as the number of co-owners. So when you divide the value of the property by the number of co-owners, the resulting figure will represent the value of each owner's share of property. For example, if a property is worth Rs 30 lakhs and is owned by 3 individuals, then each of them would hold an undivided share of Rs 10 lakhs each. Now that we know what it means, how is it calculated? Let us explore the uses of UDS. Use number 1 in determining ownership rights. UDS is often used to determine the ownership rights and the extent of an individual's ownership in a joint property. Use number 2 in selling or transferring property. So when a property is sold or transferred, the UDS of each owner must be taken into consideration to ensure that the transfer of the ownership is done fairly and legally. Use number 3 in renting out property. In case a co-owner of a property wants to rent out their share of it, then they can do so based on the UDS, and the rental income received by a co-owner would be proportional to their undivided share in the property. Use number 4 in determining responsibility for maintenance. So UDS is also used to determine the responsibility of co-owners in maintaining the property. Each co-owner is responsible for maintenance of their share of the property based on the UDS. So today we learned all about how undivided share is used to determine the ownership rights, the responsibility for maintenance, and transfer of property among co-owners. We'll meet again in the next episode with a whole new bag of information on real estate, because getting the right property is your right.